Good afternoon, everyone. It's Mel O'Connor here. It's about 1,000,000 degrees right now in the Northern California heat. And instead of just sitting around doing nothing and just basking in it, I'm gonna make something happen here. I'm gonna do something about it. Now here's something you won't see me doing all that much on a channel. Driving with the top off and getting on a freeway. Oh, I love this car so much. Right now is the boring part, and I don't really want to be on a freeway right now, and you don't want to be watching me on a freeway. So let's cut to when things get good. Okay, everybody, it's about this time that we are finally back to the good stuff again. Right in time for golden hour as well. So we're finally back to the small little country roads up here in the hills now. Higher elevation, the weather is better than it was down low. And the thing about tonight is I've been to this campsite once in my life, so I don't know how many people are gonna be there right now. Nice. Whoa, a 5-mile-per-hour turn. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna go slow there. Wow, you actually have to work around the wheel as if you're turning into a parking lot. There's some really good roads on the further side of the campsite. For now, my goal is just to get to the site. Wow, this is, you literally have to roll the steering wheel in your hand. This is not what I was expecting right now. Oh wow, wasn't expecting that to be a left either. Perfect. Whoa, I'm actually speechless. I wanted to be saying more. Whoa, that was dragging front bumper. Oh, this road is amazing. What? What I was saying is I don't even know if I'll have a spot at the campsite, but all I can do is hope for the best, I guess. Oh, nice. These roads are way cooler than I could have ever expected. And look at the canyon over here to the right. Whoa. Huge downhill. Don't want to go too fast, not knowing really what these corners are about. I see a car over there. We're gonna make sure to take it easy for the people on this road right here. Wow. Now let's just hope that I actually have a spot to camp. This is an, oh, look at this bridge. Wow, that's beautiful. Stunning, stunning stuff. Now next up, let's see if we can actually get ourselves a spot to sleep tonight. There's going to be some big things coming to this car very soon that will make it very hard for me to go on dirt roads like this. But for now, we are good to go. And I found myself a really beautiful spot right here. You'll see the backdrop in just a second. Come on now. Now that is some beautiful stuff right there. I really want to take a pause in this portion of the video just to take a step back and say thank you so much for just all the growth. I just hit 3,000 subscribers on my way out here, and I'm blown away. For those of you who are always commenting on my audio issues, you'd be very proud. I'm rocking a lav mic. That looks very sloppy right now. And pull that down, boom. Yeah, now we're looking clean. See, I am reading your comments. I'm trying to improve. I just want to say thank you very much to each and every one of you who has commented constructive criticism and just general positivity. You really keep me going, so thank you. I'm losing my lighting, and I want to keep this quality top notch, and there's not much to do at night anyways while camping aside from enjoying the moment. So I'm gonna go back to the tent, simmer down for the night. Well, good morning everybody. Last night was a pretty tranquil night of sleep, hanging out here right by the river. It's about 7 a.m. and I'm about to get the day started. One thing about the night is I would have been sleeping a bit better, but I just found out that the valve cover leak on my car has gotten quite a bit worse, and we need to tend to that. So I have the car started up right now. You'll see some right there, along with the whole side right down there. It's interesting how quick these cars can lose oil. I had checked just a couple days ago. We were at the halfway point between low and high. However, this morning when I checked, it's at low now. And I did actually already order the valve cover gasket and the spark plug tube seals just the other day, or probably 3 days ago, but it won't be coming from there for 4 days. So there's a chance today that I literally just go on down to a Honda dealership, buy the parts, and just get this fixed immediately. But for now, as always, we're gonna go for a drive, so enjoy these crazy turns again. I did just put another half quart of oil into the car, so I feel a bit more confident. Not gonna go far, but I do just wanna go up here real quick to investigate some of these crazy roads, because I think there's some pretty cool views of the canyon coming up here. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. In the summer, or in the springtime I should say, spring going into summer, there's typically some really nice wildflowers around this area. I might even go and turn it around right here. The main reason being is I just kind of want to put oil in this thing. And this is a steep hill, and I just don't want to go and just keep on putting more and more work on this poor car if I don't need to. Check that out. It's a nice drop, huh? Literally just coasting this thing. There is no need to go fast by any means. Look at that, a 5 mile per hour turn. You do not see that often. Wow. It almost bogged me out in second gear. Almost had to go down to first. Whoa. It's almost hard to take in the canyon, I guess, when you're driving quicker. I guess that is a given there. These roads are great, really. I'm not trying to push or anything because it's just it's a shared road between both directions, but luckily you can see quite a ways up the road at all times. That was a really fun dip. Keeping the RPMs pretty chill as well right now, just because, well, of course I started hitting it right when I say that, but trying to keep the RPMs low just due to the whole valve cover oil issue I'm having right now. Like I said, I just put another half quart in this morning, so I'm not too worried. You know, with these early drives of the day, probably gonna go to a gas station here and fill up again and give Honda a call, because because I want to get this stuff done. I got some videos to make here. This road is just so cool, and it's great too because there's really no one on it right now. It's just like that. We are back in society. That was quite the drive, I'll tell you that much. That was absurd. I was not expecting the roads to be so cool right there by the campsite. Currently hanging out here at the good old Extra Mile, grabbing some more oil. Called up Honda. They're gonna have the parts for me tomorrow. It feels very redundant to have ordered the part and buy it as well tomorrow, but the part was just coming too late, and I got places to be on Sunday and Monday, so Saturday is my only window to get this job done. More than anything, I want to make sure that this car is being taken good care of, so I'm going to drive home very chill right now. Just got home, realized that the oil levels were a little bit high, so I went and bled some out. So for everyone who's super into that kind of stuff, don't worry, we're back to normal oil levels once again. Well, I'm under the car. I'm actually putting a new gasket right here behind the catalytic converter from Blocks Racing. Yes, this is all old looking, but see how shiny that is. Upon startup, there's a super annoying little squeak, 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 squeak noise or during idle. And I want to say it's because of lack of the gasket right here. So I got a brand new one, and we're going to make this thing sound nice. So I just got home, and I want to say that if you made it this far in the video, it means you probably care about what I'm putting out. So I got a question for you before we go, and that is, well, this is my first vlog type video. I just want to know what you liked about it, what you didn't like about it, and what you wish you would have seen. In the process of editing, I'm realizing that there is a whole lot of missed opportunities around storytelling and other aspects of video production, but I want to hear from your end what you think. Thank you, as always, for stopping by. Appreciate all y'all, and keep it mellow.